wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. When you get to the last one, you might want to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel and slide it off. We're going to remove this nut. Just use a wrench. You can use a 22mm wrench. Spray some more rust penetrant. Take that nut off. Now I'm going to use a pickle fork and separate the ball joint from the knuckle. There's many different front end tools you could use to do this. Use whatever you can. And we can slide that down, slide it out. I'm going to use a 16mm wrench on this bolt and an 18mm socket on the nut. Take that nut off and bolt. And just make sure you grab the control arm and just slide it out. Take the control arm, slide the bushing in place. You want to replace this bolt and nut when you're doing this job. It's recommended. Line this up, put the nut on. And when we tighten this down, we want this as close to ride height as possible. If you could, you want to put this all together and torque it on the ground, but that's not realistic. So just move this out of the way as high as possible, actually. You can slide this into the knuckle and use a pull jack and just raise it up a little bit. Just so it's closer to ride height. Be careful. Now I'm going to torque this bolt to 59 foot-pounds. And then if you have a torque angle meter, you want to go an additional 90 degrees. If you don't, do the best you can. Now you can put this nut on. And to prevent the stud from spinning, just have something supporting, like this screw jack or pull jack. And we'll tighten that down. And if you have to, you can use a hex socket to prevent it from spinning if it starts spinning on you. And if you can get a torque wrench on here, you want to torque this nut to 59 foot-pounds. That's good. And remove the pull jack. Put the wheel back on. Line that up. Get the lug stud started. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll just go around again, double check. After you're done this job, keep in mind you need to bring the vehicle to a local garage to have it aligned so you don't have premature tire wear.